Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of Ghetto Gardening. So today we have a raised bed that we're filling in. I filled the bottom part with this Miracle Grow that was on sale on Lowe's, and then the rest I'm gonna fill it up with the Stay Green, which was also $2. It's 4 by 8 feet, so yeah, it's I think I've used like about 9 or so bags, maybe 8 bags, and probably got about like an inch all the way around. About to go up, and while I'm back here, let's tour the other part of my gardens. And these are tomatoes. I don't know which ones. They're all different varieties that I forgot to label, so it's whatever grows. I know there's Golden Jubilee, Mountain Gold, Emerald Evergreen, and some other stuff. And then that is a jalapeno, and I think there's some golden something beans growing in there too that I, for whatever reason, planted in there also. That is like, I think, what is it, a top hat or bishop's hat bell pepper or some crap, or I don't know. It's a funky looking pepper. Pretty good. And then this is I believe this is a Marionberry. Let me check the label. This thing's full of thorns and they hurt. Yeah, Marionberry. Yeah, let's see how that comes out later. And then this is a papaya that isn't doing so well. Papayas, you're supposed to plant them in a big container from the get-go, because if you touch the roots, they stop growing for like an entire year. So I might be screwed with those. And these are hot banana peppers that stopped producing and it's in bad shape. Well, I mean, new stuff is growing on there, but the rest of the plant probably chop it off. And these are 2 pineapples that haven't produced a pineapple in like a year or 2. And then those are onions, jalapeno. That is a habanero. More tomatoes. Step around the pineapple. The habanero, overwintered habanero. This thing, it's about to be a year old. I bought this particular one at the 99 cents only store. It was like about that big. So, they broke it. But yeah, habanero. Yeah, it was like about that big when I got it. So, and then it's like got like that. And then these are golden cayennes. And then I had a green zebra tomato here, but it died. And then stuff started growing out of the dirt. This is a giant cilantro. This is way bigger than the stuff they sell in the stores. This is a sugar cane. I have no idea how that got there. Another hot banana pepper. And freaking ghost back here freaking moving my freaking, I don't know what that was, but that was scary. That is some sort of pepper. That is a boysenberry, and it's doing really good. Let's see. Back this way. Another habanero plant. This is what's called epazote, and normally it's green, but this variety is red. It's an heirloom variety, that's as far as I know. Looking forward to eating that. Another habanero, probably need to put that in a bigger pot. And then garlic. I probably need to harvest these. I'll think about that. And then this is another habanero. This one, I bought this one at the 99 cents only also. This one's doing really good, and then you got new habaneros. Now, the thing about habaneros is that if you touch them, you don't want to touch your face, and you don't want to scratch yourself, especially in your nutsack, because it will burn. So if you touch these, wash your hands like thoroughly, or use gloves to handle them, because yeah, that's bad stuff. They're really delicious though. Another papaya. This papaya is one that I transplanted. It was when I planted all the papayas. This one grew very fast. It grew this fast, probably like in about a month. And so I moved it. And it basically, this is the one where I learned that if you mess with them, if you move the roots, they stop growing, because it hasn't grown since August. So it's actually stayed the same size. So that's why if you have a papaya, plant it in a big container right from the get-go, because if you touch the roots, then it'll stop growing. So you don't want that. And they'll fruit the same year you plant them. So yeah, papayas, they're pretty cool stuff. And then this is a tamarind tree, or tamarindo for those who speak Spanish. It survived the winter. I planted these, I think, in October or whatever, and they started sprouting. And this is another one that also survived. And then this is a Catalina Island cherry. They're native to Southern California, or the Catalina Islands. I bought these on the internet. It was like $5 for like 3 seeds, and one of them rotted. And then this one, I was mad that it wasn't growing, and I was about to go raise hell on the website, but then it started sprouting, and so I'm gonna have a cherry tree, which is awesome. And then this is a boysenberry I bought last year. It's doing really good, and like there's a flower. I don't know if you can see it in the back. There's a flower, and it's actually there's flowering all over the place, and looking forward to eating those. This is one of the thorn variety, because there's two. There's a thornless and a thorn variety. This is the thorn version. And then this is a raspberry shortcake raspberry. I don't know, it's like a bush raspberry. It stays very small and compact. I bought it on clearance, and it didn't give me anything. And like it grew tall, but then it died. So I chopped everything off, and it started growing again. And then this papaya is part of the other papaya over there. And this one is doing a little better since it has new growth coming out. So I'll see what that brings. And then this is an elephant garlic. Probably need to harvest this also. And then that one's an elephant garlic. And then that is some type of bean that I planted. I used to have a tomato in there. That's why I have the cage there. But the tomato didn't survive winter. And so yeah, it's a bean. And then this, I had a compost pile going on over here, and what is it? This pumpkin, like that we had from Halloween, it basically started going bad, so we chopped it up and buried it in the compost pile, and it grew. It grew. There's a bunch of stuff. And what the hell is that? I have no idea what that is. I think that's a bee. I want to poke it, but I'm scared. And I know this tree, I don't know what type of tree it is, but it's been here forever and ever and ever. And it's half dead. But it's full of carpenter bees, these big fat like black bees. So I'm scared to touch it because they probably might attack me. I don't know if they're violent or not, but they've been here since I lived here, which was like, God, I'm old, like 25 years ago. But yeah, this thing is full of bees. It already flowered. But yeah, this whole tree is full of carpenter bees, and it's you can see the holes. There's holes everywhere. Yeah, it's full of carpenter bees. I don't mess with them. I give them water and whatnot. But yeah, that's basically the tour of my rear garden. Ha 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 ha. Bad joke, bad joke. Well, hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe for more. I'll see what I post. Hopefully I continue posting. It's all right. See you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.